Remember the video from the day we were supposed to bring our iPods to school? Yeah. Well, guess what? Today is our field trip, and we gotta bring electronics, no matter what kind.
Yeah, and we are going to post this video on YouTube.
This is like, I don't remember a YouTube video. And we are going, and it's just a bunch. It's a group of friends. And look, heart attack! Okay, Superman.
Hey, look at iPod.
Sometimes people go cuckoo around the.
Always.
And there are a bunch of.
Hope I don't die this time.
And there's Autumn Bowers. And it's cuckoo. Bye bye.